Welcome to a quick demo of the survey reports in the OCMS Portal. If you haven't yet watched the surveys tutorial, you'll want to do that now so you can better understand survey reports. The survey reports can be accessed from the Reports option in the sidebar menu. Once you click Reports, select Survey Reports. Your survey reports are generated directly from the surveys built into the OCMS portal. When you use these to conduct your assessments, you'll get a survey results report on this page. Across the top are the survey types that are available. Click the survey you're interested in. The responses that have been received for any surveys you've sent will show here. You can send the same type of survey more than once. For example, if you want to assess your Change Champions network at the start of a project and again midway through the project. When viewing your survey results, you'll see a pie chart for all the metrics on that survey. For Change Champions, respondents are asked about their enthusiasm, experience, and availability. All the responses are collated here for you. If you prefer, you can view the results in a bar chart. Click the magnifying glass for a detailed pop-up of the data. At the top, you'll see the chart. You can export that in PDF format. At the bottom, you'll see a table with all the survey details. You can export that to Excel. Click Open Survey to be taken to the main surveys page. At the top, you can filter to drill down into the survey data. You can also view surveys by date. And that brings us to the end of this quick demo of the survey reporting page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.